This is everything that happened on the news today, but it's going to be simplified in 60 seconds. NASA just discovered a planet that's twice as big as Earth with a gas that's only produced by light.
Okay, y'all might be like, what the fuck? Listen to me. No, don't laugh. No, don't laugh. I get drafted in a few days.
Onnittelut kaikille niille, jotka nyt oli ostanut liput ja suunnitellut matkat ja majoitukset ja kaikki, niin Pori, Oulu ja Tampere, koska ne siirtyy. Iloitetaan uudet keikat.
That I had to go and take her that information because that was a real life situation.
Right.
This was not.
You were
fake.
more upset than anyone.
I was, but
yeah.
I'm.
Did you guys see the Armadillo twins? Brittany got eaten up in the comments for posting this picture of her sister. So first cousin commented this, dude, that's so up that you bummed my post. And she also posted pics when I gave birth of me. Stop being so sensitive. Speak on yourself. Boo hoo, she said. Make sure to comment down below.
Right. People on the right have taken this clip out of context and used it to promote the right, saying that I will be MAGA soon. I'm going to convert to conservatism as politics. First off, I think we should discuss the context of this clip. I said
The reason why I was crying is because it took so long for me to actually get there. The producers kept asking me, "Can we get this scene done?" I was just like,
Tiedättekö mikä lintu? Tämä on Honda Mankin pensat. Sunnuntaina kävi siis moottoriurheilu, kolari, siis Mönkiellä. Hyppäsin liian pitkä hyppy ja se tuli.
Yes, that is me. I don't know why this photo is going viral again 6 years later, but I am in a relationship with the first NFL player to come out as bisexual. And no, I still don't know anything.